What's up YouTube, TMZ1313 here. Welcome to my messy basement. As you can tell, I still got a lot of work going on. Nothing has really changed. I just want to give you an update. First of all, I'd like to say happy 4th of July. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out all my other videos if you haven't before. Um, I'm in the middle of building my system as of now. Um, for people that haven't seen my videos before, I got a 24 volt system with a 1500 watt inverter, Outback 60 transfer switch, and I'm working on a 1.1 kilowatt system. Now, right now, I just have solar panels hooked up just for testing to see where I'm getting at and stuff like that. I want to show you what I actually produced today. Get a little buzzer here. So this is what I produced today. Not bad for 3 panels. So 3 kilowatts I produced. 390 watts. 15 amp peak. Not bad. But as you notice, I didn't get any absorb or float today. One being that I need more, because sorry about the focusing. I've been kind of testing. Come on, focus. Focus, there we go. I've been kind of testing on this transfer switch to see what I could run off of it and stuff. And I just don't have enough solar panels to hook up. I actually ran, what was it? 2 kilowatt hours off the inverter today. Not bad, but I definitely need more solar right now. I only got 3 hooked up. I need 3 more hooked up. That way I could still power a lot of stuff during the day, and actually have my batteries topped off at the end of the day. I think I'm gonna take it easy on the batteries and powering stuff off of the system. Let my batteries get a good charge, and yeah, so I'm gonna try to get those up hopefully next week or two. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of money, because I need money for the mounting systems and just a lot of work to be put in to finish this. And I've had so many other more projects going on. I'm in the middle of doing my kitchen right now. You can tell from over here, I'm painting some cabinets. They look pretty decent. I got more over here. I'll show you my kitchen. Might as well. Needs a lot of work. So here's my kitchen. Just painted these cabinets. They were that color. I mean, basically the same. You can tell the difference, but it's a little off-white on this one, and that's more glossy. Going to the countertops and the sink next. Do the floor after that. Get some new light fixtures, stuff like that. So I've been working on that, my front porch, stuff like that. So what's up, Soph? Maybe one day I'll give you guys a little house tour. But it's kind of like a sitting area right now. I mean, my whole house is trash right now. But I will show you guys my kitchen when it's done. Maybe some before and after pictures. Just so you can see what's going on. But hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm just kind of giving a little update what's going on. Please like, share, subscribe, like I said. And I'll talk to you guys later.